Hey, what up, man? It's your boy Redeye Bino, man. Look, follow me, subscribe, Redeye Bino. That's my YouTube channel. I'm coming heavy, man. 2020. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about, man. So y'all subscribe to my channel. I got plenty of cars. When he caught me a red eye, they start getting in racing thing. Try to see if I can get some of this YouTube money, man. You know what I mean? I ain't even gonna sugarcoat it. You know what I mean?
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, I'm paid for those. You know what I mean? So yeah.
Hey, you so much smoke, I couldn't even see you no more.
I want all the smoke.
He want all the smoke.
I want all the smoke. I got new tires on the way. I got pulleys on the way. I got injectors on the way. I got tune on the way. Man, somebody in trouble, man. So to let you know, somebody in trouble.
Hey, just holler at me, big dog.
I got you.
Alright.
Alright.
Beast.
Alright.
Alright. Alright, man. I'm finna get ready and roll out too.
Alright, man.
Man, you be
Nice to see
easy,
you.
dude. Alright.
My hand is freezing, man.
Man, I know. Alright, so this sums it up. That's the race. He just did it. Subscribe to my boy Redeye Bino YouTube channel. So we finna get ready and be out. Peace.